Want to make anime edits but don't know where to get clean clips? Don't worry, I got you. I'm here to break down exactly where editors get their anime clips, raw or twitchered clips that's free of watermark and messy source names. Watch this video till then end to know how to. Make sure you check the description to be able to access it, so let's get started. Firstly, you'll search this up, click on it, and you'll see the section for popular anime clips, newly released clips, even manga animations, voice SFX, and intro. So just click on any one to be able to see the download link, and if you want to search for any anime, just click those 3 lines at the top, then you'll see search, and now you can search for any anime to download. Now moving on to the second one, you have to search this up, then click on it, press enter. Immediately you'll see clips, newly released. You'll even see tips on how to make money as an AMV editor and other things, so you can just search for any anime and download the clips raw, no subtitle. Very easy to download and very nice. I hope you understand and know how to search for clips now. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.